Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using a nutrient-rich water solution to deliver everything plants need directly to their roots. Instead of relying on soil to supply nutrients, hydroponic systems give growers precise control over plant nutrition, water, and environmental conditions. This approach has become increasingly popular in both commercial agriculture and home gardening. Before we jump in, remember, this channel is for viewers over 18 and our content is purely educational. We're not here to promote or encourage illegal activity. In the UK, cannabis cultivation remains illegal without a license. What we are doing is learning plant science and helping beginners avoid common mistakes. One of the biggest advantages of hydroponics is its efficiency. Plants grown hydroponically often grow faster than those in soil because nutrients are immediately available and don't need to be broken down first. This typically leads to higher yields in a shorter amount of time. In controlled environments, hydroponic systems can produce crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions. Additionally, hydroponics uses significantly less water than traditional soil farming because the water is recirculated rather than lost into the ground. Another key benefit is quality. Because growers can fine-tune nutrient levels, pH, and light exposure, plants often develop more consistent size, color, and taste. Many hydroponic crops are cleaner as well, since there is no soil residue. This also reduces the risk of soil-borne pests and diseases, meaning fewer pesticides are needed. However, hydroponics is not without its downsides. One of the main challenges is the initial setup cost. Equipment such as pumps, grow lights, reservoirs, and monitoring systems can be expensive. The system also requires electricity, making it dependent on power. Any failure can quickly harm the plants. Maintenance and monitoring are more hands-on compared to soil gardening, as nutrient levels and water conditions must be checked regularly. Another disadvantage is that hydroponic systems can be less forgiving. In soil, plants have a buffer if something goes wrong, but in hydroponics, problems like nutrient imbalances or pH shifts can affect plants very quickly. This means growers need a basic understanding of plant nutrition and system management to succeed.
Today, I'm showcasing the Mars Hydro high-end smart indoor growing system. By combining the FC6500 Evo and FCE6500 main lights with AD Light supplemental lighting and the iHub Pro smart system, you can achieve fully automated environmental control for more efficient and stable plant growth. The FC6500 Evo delivers high-intensity, high-efficiency lighting ideal for large tents. The FCE6500 meets lighting needs for medium and small tents, and AD Light supplemental lights provide UV/IR assistance to enhance plant vitality and photosynthesis. With iHub Pro, you can set sunrise-sunset simulations, lighting schedules, and light cycle programs, as well as define target values for temperature, humidity, and CO. All data is monitored in real time and supports remote control, making grow management more convenient and precise. The smart system supports multi-device integration and expansion, allowing main and supplemental lights to work together, creating the ideal light environment for truly efficient and intelligent indoor growing. To experience the full capabilities of Mars Hydro's high-end smart growing system, visit the official website to explore the complete kit. Use code BUDFELLAS and grab 3% off your order. Don't miss out.
In terms of yield, hydroponics generally outperforms soil growing. Plants tend to grow faster and produce more due to optimal conditions. As for quality, hydroponic produce is often uniform and visually appealing, though some people argue that soil-grown plants may have slightly richer flavors due to natural microbial interactions. When it comes to ease of use, hydroponics can be both simple and complex. Basic systems like deep water culture or wick systems are relatively easy for beginners. However, more advanced systems such as nutrient film technique or aeroponics, require greater knowledge and attention. Once set up properly, hydroponic systems can run smoothly, but they still require regular monitoring. Comparing hydroponics to soil, each method has its strengths. Soil growing is more natural, generally cheaper to start, and more forgiving for beginners. It relies on natural processes and requires less technical knowledge. On the other hand, hydroponics offers faster growth, higher yields, and more control, but demands more precision and investment. In conclusion, hydroponics is a powerful growing method that offers impressive efficiency and productivity. While it comes with higher costs and requires careful management, it can produce high-quality crops and excellent yields when done correctly.